Neat understood, right? This part? Yes. So anything new drawing Neeta draw this week? You have a time, get time for draw or not? Not take time. Oh, that's great. Oil painting? The huge canvas. It's like how it's a 10 feet by 4 feet to 5 feet like this. Uh, Larger A3. Okay, this is the 2.5 or something like that. Very good. Yeah. It's not that small actually, right? Isn't it? Okay, very good. So what you're doing, this is scenery, portrait. Oh, wow. This is creative, That is good. Wow. That's okay. You work in school only. And you got it in home. Okay. Oh, nice. That's great. So here how to draw the nose is very simple. I make this oval and then do like this and make its nose like this. Very simple, pretty simple. Understand? Understand, Vika? And I do this is shadow like this. Okay. Here I just make it the mouth first. Like so. This is the line 1, 2, 3. This is very simple. Three-line division here. No, I tell you that is 1, 2. So my nose to chin is a three-line division. 1, 2, 3. So this is very common. Okay, like this, like this. See how innocent face I draw here. It is so cute. And the eyes line, is the eyes line. So it is very simple. You can create the eyes line over here. The little bigger eyes. Like this, and here eyebrow. Swatika, you love art, isn't it? Or any other things like a dance, or singing, or any others? Only art you love much?
So writing,
Writing,
reading,
reading.
playing basketball.
Whoa, you're playing basketball too. That's great. That much is a 4/8. So after the 4/8 only the start the here. This is very simple. Understand, Atrika? See this? That much is 4/8. I tell you, na. This is 4/8. That much. है ना बेटा? So this line, eyes line, nose line, chin line. This will be the same height, na beta? See, this is this line, this line, this line. The same. What is the 4/8 line? The 4/8 line, eyes line, nose line, chin line. Same, no? Here to here, here to here, here to here. The same. When you understand this anatomy, your drawing is see this that much is 4/8. So very easy. I just draw the that much the here. So just portrait drawing is like a easy. Just understand the anatomy like this. Okay. No need to very detailed shading and all. Just understand the gestures, grammar. That is like this. Some areas I just put this little dark shade But my hand, I hold my pencil like this. It is very simple way. Okay. If you want to make little make the shading, you can, but it's not mandatory. Sometimes it looks very artistic if you mix in something like that. Anna, Nihita, sometimes puts margin, sometimes line, so it's more artistic. So, understood? Nihita, you something learn something new, isn't it? You achieve something? Yes. I want to see your line drawing, your sketch is very professional. Still, it's need to little improvements because you are just 9. You have a lots of time to improvements. Your lots of different area, not only portrait, animals, human, landscape, concept, futuristic, yeah, futuristic drawing. So all those things. So it looks like the same kind of character, isn't it? So but yeah, but the basic of the same, no? This basic circle like this, this, like this. Okay, like this. Yes, beta, this time is over. If you want to leave, you can, beta, you can leave. Yes, please show and then leave. Perfect. Only one thing I suggest: the nose little down. You are do like this more big, more longer. Just erase it and make it little down. That's it. Okay, that much only. Otherwise, completely perfect. I like it. Yeah. Thank you so much. You can leave if you want to. If you have any work, Rebecca.
So can you see?
Thank you, Nita. Take care. Bye bye. See you next. Yeah. I hope that see you tomorrow also. No, isn't it? Yeah. Take care. Tomorrow see you. Take care. Bye.